same day of Robert's birthday. Guys, we are here with Maria's in-laws, and this is how they do their family bonding, especially when there is an occasion like 4th of July and Robert's birthday. So we are here, and look, we are driving, or not me, but then they are driving four-wheelers so that they could bonding, they could ride on and have fun. This is the good thing when you are living in a countryside area. We have no fear to go outside to have fun. Riding in the four-wheeler makes me happy and feel good because I don't need to go and pay to ride in the caterpillar or in the Ferris wheel, because here it's more fun and exciting. Yes, because I saw my son-in-law exhibition and it's really exciting to show you guys. Right, Carly? By the way, this is Carly, and yes, Carly is a niece of my son-in-law. She is really beautiful, right, guys? She is really beautiful. Look, ayan. Look at the woman in front of us. That is Angelina Jolie. Look at her, guys. Look at her. She gonna do her exhibition as well. And it's really fun here, guys. It's really fun. Don't leave us. Don't leave me, guys. Just stay here because later I will show you the exhibition of our birthday celebrant today. Guys, watch. Just stay there. Right now, guys, we are chasing Maria Quick, my daughter, aka Angelina Jolie, and she wanted us to video her exhibition. Yes, guys. Well, I have witnessed, guys, the true exhibition that performed by my son-in-law, the birthday boy, and later I will show you his exhibition. Okay, look at him, guys. Don't close your eyes. Look at him. He's standing, and then but the good thing, guys, the show must go on. Look at him. Look at him. He went back on the four-wheeler and driving again. Look. Oh, that's how fun is that one. Now you see, guys, how good in his exhibition my son-in-law. It's really funny.
That's my grandson.
Yes, that is my grandson and Carly, and my grandson will drive the four-wheeler. Yes, I'm scared, but Maria told me that he knows how to drive. So I watch them. I watch my son to drive, or my grandson. Oh, and oh my goodness, he is really good in driving. I'm proud to say that Maria is really blessed now that she is belong to Quick family. Yes, because they are very kind, humble, hospitable, and family oriented, like the family in the Philippines. Yes, that's why I am very thankful that God gave Maria to Robert because Robert is really a nice person. Yes, he is one of a kind. He is very understanding and funny, like with his family. Look at his cousin, what he is doing right now. Look at him. He is also an exhibitionist. Look, his family is really fun to bond with. That's why the first time I came to this place, I feel very comfortable and I feel that I'm at home. This is really a good place to go when you need some fun, peace of mind, and if you want to bond with these amazing people. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this short vlog of mine. This is Mommy JD. For more videos like this, just subscribe and hit the notification bell button. Bye bye.